In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Order on WhatsApp button on Shopify. This is a simple update you can make inside your Shopify theme so customers can tap a button and reach your WhatsApp for ordering. The goal is to place a WhatsApp order button on your storefront using a custom liquid section. As you follow along, make sure you are working in the correct theme because your changes will appear on the site that you are editing. First, click on Online Store. On your Shopify admin screen, this is the area where you manage what visitors see. When you click Online Store, you will typically see options for themes and theme settings. Take a moment to confirm you are in the right part of the dashboard before you move on, because the next step is tied directly to the theme you are currently using. Next, click Edit Theme. This opens the theme editor, which is where you can add or adjust sections. You will usually see a button or link that says Edit, or you may see a menu next to your current theme. Once the editor opens, you are ready to insert a new section that will contain your WhatsApp button code. After that, under Template, click Add Section. This is important because Shopify sections are placed in templates, not randomly on the page. In the editor, you should see template options and then a control to add a section. Click Add Section, and you should be shown a list of section types you can include on your page. Now click Custom Liquid. Custom Liquid is the area that lets you paste your own code into the theme. This is where your WhatsApp order button code will go, so it matters that you choose Custom Liquid specifically. When you select Custom Liquid, the editor may show a new block or an input field where you can paste code. Next, add your WhatsApp order button code. Carefully paste the code into the Custom Liquid area, exactly where Shopify provides space for the content. If your code includes variables, confirm that they match how you want the button to behave. The WhatsApp order button code is what tells the button what message to send, where it should direct the customer, and how it should appear. After pasting, quickly scan the code field to make sure nothing was cut off or accidentally removed. At this point, you have completed the main action of the tutorial, but your work is not finished yet. The final step is to apply the change so it shows on your storefront. Before you save, it is a good idea to look for a preview area in the theme editor. If you see a preview, you can check that the button is placed in the right section and that it appears as expected. Finally, click Save. Saving confirms your edits and updates the theme, so customers can use the WhatsApp order button on your site. Once you click Save, give the editor a moment to process the changes and then return to your storefront preview, if available, to confirm everything looks correct. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.